Here's a Landoll soil finisher. It's a model 875. It's a local machine. The blades on the front are 19 inches about it, with a 7.5 inch spacing. It's hydraulic fold. It has a couple issues we'll show you. It's got some of the shovels off of it right here. There's a shovel off. Got a 3-bar parry on the back of it. This one set of rollers right here is missing. None of that's a big deal, but you have to get some parts put back on right here. This is missing right here. Probably use it without it. You can see where it hangs right here. I don't see any brakes in it. There's your wrenches for it. The disc looks good on it. It is a rock flex now. There's a rock flex. That machine would work right today, but it'd probably work better if you put another rolling cutter on the back of it back there. Or you can take it all off. The sky's the limit. This stuff's expensive, it's hard to find.
I don't know where that's supposed to
Don't take that out.